Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, January the 8th, 2020, we have 3 Sudokus today. A binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. But we will start with the binary Sudoku first. So let's get started. Okay, let me position the camera and we can start. We have here double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Here double O, here one, there one. Here double O, here one, there one. Double one, here O, there O. Double one, here O, there O. Double one, here O, there O. Then and double O, here one, there one. Double one, here O, and there O. And double O, here one, and there one. And double one, here O, there O. And double O, here one, and there one. And then double one, here O, and there O. Between two ones comes an 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 O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. A double one, here O, there O. A double one, here O, there O. A double O, here one, there one. A double O, here one, there one. A double one, here O, there O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here O, there O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Then between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here O, there O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then let me count in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the number, the fifth one. All right. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I put the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones, not allowed. If I put the O also there, also 3 ones, not allowed. So these two must be a 1. Then double O, here one, there one. Double one, here O, there O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I put the fifth one here, then we have 4 O's in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1, this must be an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. We have here double one, here an O, there an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, then one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I put the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This must be an 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. If I put the 1 here, then we have 3 O's. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This must be an O. Double O, here 1, then 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, then 1. Double 1, here O, then O. Then one, two, three, four ones in this column. If I put the 1 here, then we have 3 O's. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This must be an O. Double O, here 1, then 1. Here. Between two O's comes an 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, then 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here an O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. So we finish this in 7 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can like, you can also subscribe on this channel or download the PDF so you can solve it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the medium Sudoku. Thank you again. Bye bye.